Hey everyone, if you're a student whose current financial strategy involves surviving on instant ramen and just hoping your textbooks magically pay for themselves, well, you are in the perfect place. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to map out the ultimate guide for you today, the Digital Wealth Roadmap. Specifically, we're focusing on 7 distinct student income streams that are perfectly tailored for 2026. And look, this isn't about some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. It's about practical, actionable steps you can literally start taking today.
Okay, let's dive into this agenda. First, we're looking at the 2026 digital opportunity. Then we'll break down 3 main career routes: trading skills, creating products, and building an audience. And finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with a blueprint for success. Section 1, the 2026 digital opportunity, starting from zero. Okay, I want to validate exactly where you might be sitting right now. 0 experience and 0 investment required to start building your digital wealth today. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. The fantastic news here is that the barrier to entry has quite literally never been lower. You don't need a massive initial investment. You don't need a polished 10-page resume. You just need the willingness to learn and execute. And this explainer, it's going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get motivated and look at our very first pathway. Section 2, trading skills for income, the service route. So this route is all about a direct exchange of your time for cash. Method number 1 is freelancing. Basically, freelancing means offering your skills to clients online and getting paid directly for your project work or your time. Now, the biggest mental block I see students hit here is thinking they need to be some seasoned professional to even start. You absolutely do not need to be an expert on day 1. Seriously, you could just be helping a local bakery manage their Instagram while you're hanging out in the campus library. The trick is to learn a basic skill first, offer it, and then naturally improve over time while you actually do the work. Think of these high-demand skills as your ultimate starting menu. We've got graphic design, video editing, writing, social media management, virtual assistants, and online tutoring for subjects like math, science, or languages. Parents are constantly looking for affordable help there, by the way. But I really want to highlight AI content creation. Artificial intelligence has opened up massive new earning opportunities. Businesses are actively seeking people who can use AI to build presentations, help with research, or write emails, simply because it saves them tons of time and totally boosts their productivity. So the crucial point is how to actually get this off the ground, right? Good news, it's way less intimidating than finals week. Step 1. Pick just one skill to learn via free tutorials and practice it every day. Step 2, build a 3 to 5 project portfolio. And yes, mock-ups completely count. Step 3, start applying for beginner jobs. It really is that systematic. You just reach out to potential clients, show them your samples, and clearly explain how your service is going to make their lives easier. When you go down this service route, there are generally 2 ways you're going to get compensated. Earning per project means getting paid a flat rate when you finish a specific task or deliverable. Honestly, as a student, earning per project is absolutely fantastic because you can do the work at 2 a.m. in your pajamas if you want to, just as long as you hit the deadline. Earning per hour, on the other hand, means getting paid continuously for your time. This does require fixed time, like scheduling a one-on-one online tutoring class between your regular campus lectures. But the really great thing about both of these structures is that as you rack up positive reviews and your experience grows, you can confidently start increasing your rates. Section 3, creating and selling products, the product route. All right, here is where we pivot away from trading your time and start talking about building assets. First up in this route is print on demand. This is a business model where you sell custom products. Think apparel, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, but the items are printed and shipped automatically only when an actual order is placed. The massive, real game-changer benefit here, you never have to pay for or store physical inventory yourself. That means no giant boxes of t-shirts taking up precious space in an already crowded dorm room. Getting started here is literally a simple 3-step formula. Step 1, create simple designs on free, beginner-friendly software. Step 2, upload those designs to a print-on-demand platform. And Step 3, write up some attractive descriptions and promote your store on social media. You get to keep the profit margin, which is just the difference between the base production cost and your final selling price, while the platform handles all the annoying shipping logistics for you. Then we have digital products. I want you to imagine sitting in a coffee shop, watching your classmates stress out over organizing their study notes, and realizing you could create a digital study planner to solve that exact problem. Things like goal templates, ebooks, educational worksheets, digital journals, or resume templates are incredibly popular right now. These are items people buy and download instantly rather than waiting for something physical in the mail. And this brilliantly illustrates the core difference in how you build long-term digital wealth. Compare active income, like the services we just talked about, which require continuous work for every single dollar earned, to passive income with digital products. Passive income requires upfront work once, but it generates multiple sales over time without you ever needing to recreate the product. Literally, a single professionally designed study planner uploaded to an online marketplace can sell endlessly. It is just a phenomenal source of passive income. Section 4. Building an online audience, the audience route.
Okay, we are now shifting to the most highly leveraged route on our roadmap. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting products or services and earning a commission whenever someone buys through your unique referral link. The absolute beauty of affiliate marketing is that you are generating sales and making money without ever having to create the actual product yourself. No customer service headaches, no shipping logistics, just sharing. So, how do you start? First, lock in on a niche you genuinely geek out over. Could be technology, fitness, finance, education, whatever. Then, partner up with brands and affiliate programs in that space. Finally, start creating helpful content with honest reviews. Because look, value builds trust, and trust earns commissions. The more valuable your content is, the more people are going to trust your recommendations. Which naturally leads us to content creation. This is all about producing educational, entertaining, or informative videos consistently to build a long-term following on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, let's be real, this isn't an overnight trick. You pick a niche and you commit to it. Upgrading your storytelling, improving your thumbnails, tweaking your editing week over week, that is what eventually transforms this into a massive long-term income asset. Why is an audience so powerful? Because it acts as a massive multiplier. Just look at how content creators earn. They tap into advertising revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing commissions, selling their own digital products, and offering premium services. By building that trusted, consistent audience, a creator can basically tap into almost all of the income streams we've already covered today simultaneously. It's huge.
Section 5. Blueprint for Success. Rules to avoid burnout.
Now, to ground all this excitement, we really need some practical boundaries. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that the true secret of successful student entrepreneurs isn't doing everything, it's discipline. So here are your 5 rules for digital wealth. Number 1, do not try all 7 methods at once. Please avoid that shiny object syndrome. Number 2, choose just one method and stay consistent with it. Number 3, keep learning new skills continuously. Number 4, be patient because real success takes time. And number 5, focus on providing real value to people rather than just chasing quick money. Seriously, sticking to just one method at the start is how you actually gain traction. Your biggest advantage is time. Look, so many massive online entrepreneurs started exactly where you are today, as students with absolutely no experience. You have time on your side. Starting today and aiming for just a tiny 1% improvement every single week, that is all it takes to eventually win in this space. Which brings us to a final, provocative thought for you to chew on. Which route will your future self thank you for choosing today? Will it be the service route, the product route, or the audience route? The opportunities are literally sitting right in front of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I strongly encourage you to take that crucial first step today. Pick your path, start learning, and I'll catch you next time.